Hi, this is Jenny Lu, and we're going to learn three last moves for the Tai Chi Qigong 18 style. Last week we left out at move number 15, which was Wild Goose spreads wings with this balancing move. So we're gonna stop right here, transition to move number 16, which is called the windmill. So this is gonna look a little familiar. So you're going to slowly raise your arms on an inhale. As you exhale, arms raise overhead, making a circle, kind of like move number 3, rainbow, but instead we do not look up, we're going to look straight ahead. So for this one, you're going to slowly turn to your left side. And as your arm rotates down, that's an inhale. And then as your arms go up to the right, that's an exhale. So we can do this a few times. Inhale down, exhale up. Rotating at the waist, keeping the back fairly straight. So there are actually different forms or different ways of doing this, practicing this style, and you will see different teachers teaching it differently. So I've seen maybe some, they actually bend the whole body completely. So for the one that we learned, we stay up here. So you're going to rotate to the other side. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. So if you've been taking class for a while, you would notice this type of breathing, with this pattern of breathing, kind of goes against of what we normally do, right? Normally we will inhale on the way up, exhale on the way down, but this one we're inhaling and exhale oppositely. So it will be like inhale on your way down, exhale on your way up. So this is a more cleansing way of breathing, so more invigorating. So slowly from here, the next one, you're going to slowly let your arms float down. And this will look a little familiar too. So your hands will come up to in front of your lower dantian. Right hand is on top of the left with the palms facing up, keeping the pelvis facing forward, and slowly you're going to exhale. This is pushing the mountain. Pressing the right hand forward and pull your left hand palm up to the back. So keep your elbow fairly tight by your side. Inhale, exhale. So your gaze, there are two options. I think that's the beauty of Qigong. There are thousands of styles of Qigong and or Qigong. There are different ways of practicing, and your intention could be a little bit different too. So for this one, traditionally, you're going to focus on the hand that's being extended on the exhale. Inhale, switching, exhale, pushing. But also, if you would like to, instead of focusing forward, you can turn your neck to look at the hand that's going to the back. So that little bit of gentle turning in the neck will give you a little bit stretching, deeper stretch in the cervical spine. And you could feel a little bit more pull right in the front of the shoulder, activating the first 2 points on the long meridian channel. So just do what feels good, what will you need in the moment. So when you're ready, coming back, the last one, number 18, which is called the Great Ultimate, your arms are going to relax. And then as you inhale, we're going to scoop up healing energy. And when the hands come to about eyebrow level, so your upper dantian and intang, right? So letting your hands come down. We can try again. So as of embracing, inhale. And also there are two different ways of closing. I will show you both. Exhale. Sinking, rooting down to your lower dantian. Inhale. Scooping up healing energy. Exhale. So another way one of my teachers taught me is that as you scoop up healing energy, you're going to curl your fingers, back of your fingers together. So imagine energy comes in from your root chakra or your perineum, CV1, acupressure point. And when the hands come to in front of the face, you're going to open the palms and then sinking the energy down again. So the energy is going to come in. You're a thrusting vessel. Exhale. And just feel whatever that helps you to, this last step is gathering energy, letting it sinking and rooting down to your lower abdomen. And that'll be the right one for you. Okay, so after you're finished, you can slowly close your feet in. And breathing in, breathing out. You can fold your hands on your lower dantian. Ladies, right hand on the inside. Gentlemen, left hand on the inside. Really good job. See you in the next video.